We have decided to segregate the primaries to start firstly on the 21st of April and to have a supplementary session of primaries on the 25th of April. That is next week on Tuesday.
Nominated MP Isaac Mwaura has accused his opponent Simon Kingara of using goons to attack him yesterday. He accuses Kingara of using crude weapons and guns to attack him and his supporters during a campaign meeting. The attack left Mwaura with head injuries. In his defense, Kingara says he was undertaking a development project and was not involved in the attack. Both Mwaura and Kingara are set for a face-off for the Ruiru constituency seat in the Jubilee nominations set for Friday.
And I can tell you for sure, there were a mixture of weapons. And we highly suspect, because after some time I lost consciousness, that really these people, those blunt objects, including guns and whatever that they used, I mean, there were gunshots all over. In fact, why not for the fact that the police came and threw tear gas around, then it would have been worse, I can assure you.
Kwa mimi sina buduki na hata ninaomba polisi wanipatie buduki kwa sababu wao walikuwa na buduki bidi.